So we are going to learn how to create a poster in Canva on the topic safety measures while using internet. So let's start. This is my Canva homepage. I have already logged into Canva. Now on the top right corner you have create a design option. You can click on create a design and then search for poster. If you are using a laptop, select poster landscape. Once this is done, a new untitled design, that is a blank poster, will open in front of you. Now what you need to do, you need to choose a background. Now let's choose a background. Go in background and then this one looks good. This one also looks good. So let's use this one. And this is for free also. Okay. Now we have in total 9 safety measures. So we will need 9 shapes to write the safety measures. Before starting with the shape, let's first write a heading. To write the heading, let's choose a heading. Add a heading. Let's move it upward at the top. Okay. Now in this, you can select it, delete it, and start writing. The heading should be safety measures. This is our title or heading. We can reduce the heading a little bit, otherwise we won't get sufficient space. We can reduce it till here or 80 also, it will look nice. Okay. We can also change the color of the heading. Let's keep it. Let's see how the gray looks. No, it doesn't suit. Let's see how the red looks. No, let's keep it black only. Okay, you can also change the font of the heading from here. There are many different fonts to be chosen. This, let's choose this one. Okay, we can bold it. Okay, it looks nice. Now let's add a few shapes. We have, as we discussed before, we have 9 different safety measures. So let's choose a shape from here. This one, which one? Okay, let's see all the shapes together. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's change the color of the shape so as it is visible to us. Okay, let's keep it light gray. Now let's keep one shape here. Now we can copy the shape. How to copy the shape? Right click, select copy, or you can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus C, and then right click and paste. See, there are 2 shapes now. You can keep the shape one below the other like this. We will add more shapes. So keep pasting. You can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus V, to paste. Four are done. 5 are done. Now this is the 6th one. then 7th, then 8, then 9. Okay, so for now we are done with the adding of shapes. Yeah, we are done with adding the shape. Now we need to write on this shape. Now how to write on this shape? We can add a text one. Now let's choose this one. See, like this. Let's add a text box. Make it smaller. You can also decrease the size of the font from here. Let's keep it 48. Okay, it looks nice now. Now we can do one thing. You can copy this text box, paste. Let's edit this one first. Select all, delete. Now we have so many different safety measures. So to refer, see, this is one safety measure. Don't share your password with anyone apart from your parents. So you need to write here one by one the safety measures that we have learned. Don't share your passwords with anyone. Then we can continue doing so. Once we are done with writing all the safety measures in the respective shapes, you can add one more message. Let's add one more message.